come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. And this is DeFi Bully. Oh man, it's been a long day. So many new projects, so much new things popping off in the DeFi space, and so many innovations. These people getting more creative. You feel me? This one right here is the BUSD crops farmer. This one is really interesting. I wonder if you guys can see. I don't know if I'm blocking the guy's head or whatever. But that part of it is not really all that important. What's important is innovation. Now let's dig into these facts right here. But first, please help me out. Let's run to that 1,000 subscribers. We're at 834. We pushing it. Hit that notification bell. The DeFi is time sensitive. Just like this one. This one is set to launch less than 10 hours from now. Okay. So you hire, you grow, and you harvest with this one. Now the twist with this one is they have AntiWhale, anti-dump mechanisms in place. And also, like, for people that love, like, just claiming, there's a chance that you could be charged 60%. And there's ways around that as well. So let's dig into that. All right, boom. So this is the BUSD crops farmer. 8% daily, 2,920% APR. Okay, 8% referral bonuses. So the referral bonus is slightly smaller on this one. Okay. 2.5% higher bonus. So that one's different. So every time you compound on here or higher, you will get a 2.5% bonus. And from my understanding, they'll do this every 12 hours, up to 5 days, I believe, to get the maximum 25% bonus on top of your compounding. Okay. Whoa, these things are going crazy. The Grinch Bucks group is going crazy. Hold up. Excuse me one second. Let me just mute that while I'm talking about this. I'll unmute you soon, Grinch Bucks. That's another great one. Well, another hyped up one that's going to launch a little from now. Okay, so it's 12-hour compound timer, which is good. Something that help you like track when is a good time to compound. So this one's every 12 hours. 4-hour withdraw cooldown. Yes, that's to slow down the process of some people that, like some whales that probably have a lot of money. They can't drain it it just slows it down a little bit. And then 5 times mandatory compound feature. Now that one is making this project very bullish to me, because it's almost forcing you to do the 6-in-1. But this one is doing it 5 times at least. So that's I think that's a good implementation of something that maybe a lot of new projects will probably try to implement following this, depending on how this goes tomorrow or later on. Okay, to ensure sustainability and longevity of the project and enhancement from previous similar minor games, the crop farmers team has implemented a feature that will encourage and enforce farmers to continuously compound before taking profit. Users should compound X numbers of times before they can withdraw. Should a farmer decide not to compound or hire more farmers using his earnings and continuously withdraw, farmer will be charged with a 60% feedback tax, and that will remain as part of the contract. Whoa, bull news. If y'all want to hear something different, something that you think is going to be more sustainable, this might be the move for you guys for a long-term play. And let me continue reading. In addition to further encourage community to rehire and recompound, there will be an additional 2.5% bonus for each compound action that a user would do, which can stack up 25% for 10 consecutive times or 5 days. By doing so, this would ensure long-term potential to profit of every investor. So basically what they're trying to say is it'll convince people and persuade them to continue to compound because they will have a reward from compounding, which will in turn help the contract. So it sounds very cool to me. The best strategy that a team can recommend is to rehire 6 days and harvest 1 day. Similar to baked beans, similar to spoot beans, similar to ruby, similar to every miner that's running the place right now. And you know it's miner season. Okay. So another cool thing about this is how they laid out everything. The farmer dashboard, your initial deposit, total deposit, sold crops, referral rewards. They're getting more advanced with these miners, and I like to see it. I want to see some like little games start popping up at the side, like they, like Farmville. Y'all remember that? If you remember Farmville, comment down below. Okay, and like this video. Now they will be doing similar. I guess they keep track of everything. Oh, that's cool. The colors, like. All right. Now you will have to approve your BUSD. So get your BUSD ready for this, ready to start purchasing some farmers, and ready to start getting this thing off the ground. They got how you could buy BUSD right from Pancake Swap up here. Frequently asked questions right here. Oh, brought me right to there. I won't spend too much time on this, but let me go ahead and jump to one of these. What makes it different from other similar platforms? The BUSD Crops Farmer has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure longevity of the project. These measures include maximum deposits as well as cutoff time and cooldown time for withdrawals. The cutoff time is the amount of time it will take for you, for your cart to be full. To be full of rewards. Once the bag is full, it will stop filling until you have taken some action in the game. So either compound or withdraw. This is to prevent whales from letting their rewards accumulate for a long time. It removes the false impression that the contract value is going up, and most of it is just rewards for a whale waiting to withdraw all at one time, which makes perfect sense, people. This makes perfect sense. Okay, the withdrawal cooldown time is the amount of time one has to wait before they can make another withdrawal, which is another thing that seems very bullish. Man, this whole thing just seems very cool, and I'm wondering why this didn't come out earlier. But I could almost promise there's going to be a lot of forks of this, the BUSD Crops Farmer. So use my link down below, people. Like this video. It's good for the algorithm. Let's interact. Join the Bullpen Millionaires group down below. That's my Telegram group. I have the link down below. And I'm very bullish on this one right here as well. So less than 10 hours, this will launch. People, let's get to it. Let's hop out that bullpen and run it up to financial freedom. Now remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.